Most people treat lawn clippings and garden weeds like useless waste. After mowing the lawn or cleaning garden beds, they gather all that green material and throw it away without realizing they're getting rid of one of the most valuable free resources for their garden. Grass clippings and soft green weeds are packed with nutrients, organic matter, and beneficial compounds that can improve soil health, feed plants naturally, retain moisture, and even help build rich new garden beds. Instead of sending this material to the trash, you can recycle it back into the garden and turn it into something that helps vegetables, flowers, and fruit plants grow stronger and healthier. One of the best ways to use grass clippings and weeds is by making a nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer using the Jadam-style method. This homemade fertilizer is loaded with nitrogen, minerals, and beneficial microbes that plants thrive on. To make it, start with a bucket or any large container and fill it with freshly cut grass, weeds, or a combination of both. Weeds are perfectly fine to use because once they decompose in water, they become an excellent source of nutrients. After filling the container, pour in about 10 liters of water. To boost the strength of the fertilizer, add a small amount of fully decomposed manure. This helps introduce beneficial microorganisms along with additional nutrients. Next, mix in a few tablespoons of molasses, which acts as food for the microbes and encourages strong microbial activity inside the mixture. Stir everything thoroughly and loosely cover the container. There is no need to seal it airtight. Allow the mixture to ferment for 2 to 3 weeks. During this period, the grass and weeds slowly break down and release nutrients into the water. A strong smell may develop, but that is a normal part of the fermentation process. Once fermentation is complete, you will have a dark concentrated liquid fertilizer rich in plant nutrients. Before applying it, dilute the concentrate with water at a ratio of 1 part fertilizer to 10 parts water. This step is important because the mixture is very strong in concentrated form. Apply the diluted fertilizer around vegetables, fruit trees, flowers, or container plants every 2 weeks. Since the nutrients are already dissolved in liquid form, plant roots can absorb them quickly. Leafy vegetables especially respond well because of the high nitrogen content. Another highly effective use for lawn clippings and weeds is mulching. Both fresh green grass and dried grass can serve as excellent mulch around plants. Mulching is one of the simplest ways to improve and protect garden soil. When grass clippings are spread around plants, they help trap moisture in the soil, reducing water evaporation and lowering the need for frequent watering. During hot weather, mulch also keeps the soil cooler and protects plant roots from extreme heat stress. Grass mulch is also very effective at suppressing weeds. A thick layer blocks sunlight from reaching the soil surface, making it difficult for many weed seeds to germinate. This saves time and reduces the effort needed for weeding throughout the growing season. As the grass slowly decomposes, it feeds the soil with organic matter and nutrients. Earthworms and beneficial microorganisms are naturally attracted to this material, helping create healthier, richer, and more fertile soil over time. Fresh green grass clippings contain high amounts of nitrogen, but they should be applied in thin layers because thick, wet layers can become compacted and slimy. Dried grass works better for thicker mulch applications and provides longer-lasting coverage. Weeds can also be used as mulch as long as they have not already produced mature seeds. If weeds have gone to seed, it is better to compost or ferment them first before using them directly in the garden. A third smart method is using grass clippings and weeds to build nutrient-rich garden beds. Instead of throwing away large amounts of organic material, you can bury them beneath the soil to create a slow-release composting layer. Begin by removing the top 2 to 3 inches of soil from the area where you want to prepare a garden bed. Spread a thick layer of grass clippings or weeds evenly across the exposed ground. Both fresh and dried material work well for this method. After spreading the organic material, place the removed soil back on top and finish with a layer of compost or fully decomposed manure. Water the entire bed thoroughly to help decomposition begin. Over time, the buried grass and weeds break down underneath the soil and release nutrients directly into the root zone of future plants. This process also improves soil structure, boosts microbial life, and creates a loose, fertile environment for healthy root growth.